All right, so this video is going to sort of walk through my gem. It's the first gem I've ever made. It's a Ruby gem. It's called Latest Games. What it does is it scrapes Metacritic to get data for the latest video games. It's pretty simple. So this video is just going to be how to interface with the gem. It's not going to be any like behind the scenes, how the gem works, that kind of thing. That'll be in the next video. So let's go ahead and do this. So all you need to do on your machine to get the gem running, since it is published to rubygems.org, is you can do gem install and then latest underscore games. Successfully install the gem, and then you have to run it, you just actually type latest games. And here we are. So the first screen is going to give you a list of platforms. There were a couple more on Metacritic, but I decided to just go with the 5 that I thought would be the most popular. The others were either a bit dated or really just didn't have many game postings on them. So from the first screen, you have a few options. You can select a platform by typing the number, like 1, or you could do even the text. You could just type, let's look at Switch games. So at the bottom there, you can see you can also, to quit, you can hit enter. You can enter exit at any time. So regardless of where you are in the program, you can type exit and that'll get you out of the program. So let's go ahead and try Switch. This is going to load the most recent 10 most recent Switch games. So it just shows the title here. So you can actually just select these by number. Select a game to get more info. You can type, let's do, how about Mario Kart? That's a pretty popular one. So we'll do 4, enter to pull up Mario Kart, and it pulls up the details for it. So here at the top, you see it's Mario Kart 8 Deluxe on the Switch. The publisher is Nintendo. Release date April 28th of 2017, and it's only available on the Switch. Now, if you pick a game that's available on other platforms, say one that's available on both Xbox and PS4 and PC, it'll show a list there instead. Then the Metacritic score for Mario Kart 8 is 92. That number there will be color-coded based on this score, just like it is on Metacritic. So if it's below, I believe, a 75, it'll be yellow. If it's below a 50, it'll be red. And then you get a brief summary. The summary is limited in how many characters it will display. Sometimes you'll see it trail off at the end. Still kind of working on the best solution for that. But then it's going to ask you if you want to check out another Switch game. So if you hit yes, it'll take you back to the exact same list. You can pick a different game. So this time let's do the first one, Blaster Master Zero. So this time you can actually see it's also on 3DS. The Metascore has not yet been determined and no summary was provided. So that shows you a little bit more of the functionality there. And you can also, if you hit no, if you don't want to check out a Switch game, hit N or type no, either one works. And it'll take you back to the beginning. So you can pick another platform. So this time, just to show you, I'll pick PC. And loading, here we have another list. And this is just PC games. Now, an important note, it's displaying 10, but you can actually, it's actually scraping more than 10 games. I picked 10 because I thought that was the most like sort of visually appealing, maybe less overwhelming as far as how many games you could pick. But technically, if you think there's a game that maybe came out just a little bit before this, you could do like 15, for example, and it'll pull up another game. I'm kind of working on a better solution for that, but just know that there are more games being scraped that you can look for. I'm also thinking about adding things like what genre the game is on, and maybe some other details. Still looking into that, but this is the current iteration, and like I said, at any time, you can just type exit, and that'll get you out of the program. So I hope you found something you like. Have a great day. The next video is going to be a more detailed behind-the-scenes look at how it works on the code side, and also some things that I'm looking to improve and fix, and just kind of talk to you about my whole thought process about why I made certain design decisions when I was making the gem and that kind of stuff. So if you have any concerns, recommendations, anything you'd like to see in the gem, or just feedback in general, just leave it in the comments below. I'll actually put a link to the walkthrough video the behind the scenes video actually, right, how about right there, put it right there. So thanks for watching, and have a good one.